Hey sleepers, I'm Zach, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the RestBed Smart Mattress. Rest is a customizable airbed with 5 adjustable air chambers to adapt and personalize your sleep. Does it work? And how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. If you like what we're doing and find our videos helpful, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you sign up for our newsletter, you'll automatically be entered in our monthly giveaway. Click the link above my shoulder for more information. Alright, for this mattress review, we brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Tess, average weight sleeper Nicholas, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the RestBed is a breeze since it comes with white glove delivery. A Rest rep will deliver and set up the mattress and walk you through the technology. The initial setup is easy to replicate if you need to. Connected to the mattress, you will see 2 clusters of 4 tubes and a USB cable. Each cluster will hook into a pump. Simply match the tubes to the corresponding ports and plug in the USB cable. Do this for each of the pumps. This sounds like a lot, but everything is well labeled. Download the ReST app, launch it, and follow the steps to connect to the pump. You can rename the pumps to make identifying and reconnecting easier in the future. After that, the bed is ready to use. Currently, the app is pretty simple. You can see that there's a large pressure map which shows you where the tracker is sensing pressure. Under that shows you 5 adjustable zones with their target and current levels. There's 3 modes to control the airbed: automatic, auto position, and manual. Automatic lets you adjust the general feel of the mattress with the slider in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Slide left for softer, and slide right for firmer. The system then auto-adjusts as you shift around to maintain that level of firmness. The auto position setting allows you to select a sleep position, back or side, and the system will automatically adjust to be firmer where you need more support and softer where you need more relief. Like the other auto mode, the system will continuously adjust to your movements in an attempt to keep that balance of support and pressure relief. In the manual mode, you can tinker with the setting for each zone individually to dial in your personal preference. Note that the head and foot operate as a single zone. Unlike the automatic settings, the system will not adjust as you move or shift around. At any point, you can refill all of the air chambers by pressing the fill button. The system will start adjusting fairly quickly after new input is received, but sometimes the air chambers can take a while, especially when trying to fill from a low setting. If your power goes out or your control device dies, the RestBed will maintain the last setting it received. And that's it for the current functionality. It's simple but offers a lot of opportunity for active and passive customization. With that, let's take a closer look at the RestBed's construction. The RestBed is a 12-inch air mattress. The cover is what ReST calls a sleep skin. It's a very thin and stretchy performance cooling fabric. The comfort layers are 3 inches of gel memory foam over 1 inch of high resiliency polyfoam. Underneath the comfort foams, you'll find the Smart Sensor, which senses pressure and adjusts the automatic settings of the bed. Below this, you have the support core, which is made up of 5.5 inches of a 5-zoned air chamber, which sits upon 2.5 inches of high-density polyfoam. You will see the same high-density polyfoam is used to reinforce the perimeter of the mattress. The RestBed is an adjustable airbed, which allows you to customize the firmness levels. The 3 inches of gel memory foam lend to a plush feel regardless of the settings and prevent the mattress from feeling too firm. With the chambers fully deflated, the mattress is about a 3 out of 10 on the firmness scale, and fully inflated, it's about a 7. So it is soft to firm depending on the configuration. At the lowest settings, you'll definitely sink down and will sleep in this mattress, creating a kind of hammock effect. At full capacity, you will get that mix of sleeping in and on this bed. You will sink into and be hugged by the memory foam layer, but also be propped up and on top of the air chambers. The memory foam layer is a little slow to respond to pressure. It's not the really slow response of dense memory foam, but it is noticeable, especially at softer settings. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. With a 5-zone adjustable support base topped with memory foam, the RestBed excels at providing support for sleepers. All of our sleepers were able to tweak settings and find the support they needed. As you can see, spines are well aligned as ReST did an amazing job of supporting our sleepers from head to toe. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion, and how well it keeps that motion from reaching your partner. We like to illustrate this with a water glass demonstration, where we place a glass of water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around on the opposite side. As you can see, the water and glass barely move as Jerica shifts around on the other side of the bed. The 4 inches of comfort foams absorb a good deal of motion, and 2 separate support chambers help to minimize motion from transferring across the mattress. We found this to be true even when testing with multiple people getting on and off and shifting around on the bed. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support leave sleepers with that feeling of roll-off and make it harder to get in and out of the bed. We found the RestBed to have great edge support. While the top comfort layer is plush, the high-density polyfoam reinforces the perimeter, supporting all of our sleepers. There is very little sag while sitting on the edge, and almost none while sleeping on the edge. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increased amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. With 3 inches of memory foam and adaptable firmness settings, we found the RestBed offers considerable pressure relief for all sleepers across all sleep positions. You can see all of our sleepers were able to modify the RestBed and find ideal pressure relief. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Despite having 3 inches of memory foam in the comfort layers, we found the RestBed slept relatively cool. The gel infused into the memory foam prevents it from trapping heat like traditional memory foams. Add to that ReST Cool to the Touch sleep skin, and you have one cool sleep surface. Additionally, the support chambers allow for liberal airflow throughout the lower layers of the mattress, which prevent the mattress from warming overnight. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. All right, Tess, what did you think about the RestBed?
I love this topper, memory foam topper that feels really like liquidy and great.
So if you can get the hang of the app and understand like where you need the pressures, it's nice.
When it was down, when there was not really much air in it, it kind of just felt like you were being squished. Air it up to the top and we're good to go.
As far as lying down on this bed, did you find a position that was super comfortable?
Honestly, they were all super comfortable. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it is a comfortable bed to sleep on.
I think overall, all the positions were okay because you can adjust it.
How about getting close to the edge on this bed? Do you feel supported?
I do. I do feel a lot of support and I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, I definitely felt supported. Definitely didn't feel like I was gonna fall off or anything like that.
Do you feel people getting in or out of the bed?
No, I didn't feel any motion from that at all.
As far as the app is concerned, did you find it relatively easy to use?
Not terribly easy to use. Yeah, it could use some improvement.
It was pretty easy. Once you kind of played around with all the different options. The automatic setting probably was the most difficult just because it kept adjusting.
I did kind of like the way it would adjust automatically, which was nice. I found that sometimes it thought that my shoulders were in a different spot than they actually were, just because, you know, I'm proportionally different than some people, but it was nice to be able to adjust it, you know, manually as well.
One of my favorite things, sometimes you have different days, you know, you want a firmer bed or softer bed. Sometimes when I need my legs elevated, it's nice to be able to rise those levels really high and just sink the rest of your body. So for that, it was a really good quality for it,
Hey, thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure.
Now let's see how the RestBed stacks up in our mattress tests. Support is excellent for light and average weight sleepers and very good for heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief is excellent for all 3 sleeper weights. Motion isolation and edge support are excellent, and temperature neutrality is very good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The RestBed is a versatile mattress that should work for most sleep preferences. However, the mattress doesn't seem like a good fit for stomach sleepers. The 3 inches of memory foam atop the mattress are likely too much for most stomach sleepers and will cause strain on the lower back. And interestingly, there's no auto position function for stomach, perhaps a sign that Rest didn't make this with stomach sleepers in mind. The RestBed is still a complex sleep system with many interconnected parts. This naturally creates more potential points of failure. The system is modular and individual parts can be replaced, but there is more to this setup than a traditional mattress. Those that want a simple sleep setup may not be a good fit for the RestBed. Additionally, the RestBed is clearly in the luxury mattress category, and it comes with the expected price tag. Sleepers on a budget will want to look elsewhere. The technology involved with the RestBed is impressive in many ways, but presently, it's not a smooth experience. The pumps can be slow to respond to inputs from the app, and it doesn't always provide feedback and let you know what it's doing. This can make the slow process of filling the air chambers more frustrating than it needs to be. Not to mention, the app will randomly crash or disconnect from the pumps. We have to imagine this improves with future versions of the app. There are also some features the app currently lacks that we would like to see. First, you can only adjust the mattress as 2 distinct sleep zones. You can't set the full width of the queen mattress to be a single sleep surface. This is a point of frustration for those who sleep alone. Another feature we miss is the ability to program your own presets. We have the ability to find our own ideal settings with the manual control, but there is currently no way to save those settings. The RestBed has 2 sophisticated sleep trackers, but they only serve to gauge pressure and adjust the chambers. It'd be nice if they track the data from your sleep and generate sleep reports, like other smart sleep products. It seems the tech is there, it's just a matter of implementation. So who is a mattress good for? We found the RestBed is a great fit for back and side sleepers. With 3 inches of conforming memory foam and adjustable 5-zone air chambers to dial in your preferences, the RestBed is ideal for back and side sleepers. It allows sleepers to find their balance of support and relief. Sleepers whose firmness preferences fluctuate will enjoy the versatility of the RestBed. Perhaps you're recovering from an injury or going through a pregnancy. Your comfort and support needs may change in the short and long term. An adaptable mattress like the RestBed would be a great benefit. Couples will love the RestBed. With 2 independent adjustable zones, sleep partners no longer have to compromise on one firmness option. Each person can control their own half of the bed and set it just the way they like it. The 2 zones also make for great motion isolation, so your sleep won't get disrupted by your partner's movements. To top it off, the solid edge support means you can maximize your sleep space. If you're in the market for a luxury mattress, the RestBed is a great option. The mattress works well for almost all sleepers and is one of the more comfortable mattresses we've tested. Sleep tech enthusiasts may be intrigued by the RestBed. The sleep system is pretty sophisticated, and there's a lot of potential with the app and the tracker as it iterates. Those that like to adopt and test technologies may enjoy having the RestBed. Before purchasing the Rest mattress, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 90-night sleep trial. Shipping is $199 in the US, and it comes with white glove delivery. The mattress comes with a 10-year warranty. For the lowest prices available, check the description below. That's it for our Rest mattress review. So, what did you think of the mattress? Are you a fan? Let us know in the comments below. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, sleep well.